Good afternoon. This is Grandma Freeman. So, I was planning to have a garage sale possibly next weekend or the weekend after. But so, anyway, I pulled down all my baskets and other things that I had stashed away up there in the corner. And these are all my patterns, my assortment of patterns. And haven't moved those down yet. But I was thinking about selling some of this stuff anyway. And over here too, I have some cloth, which is upholstery fabric mainly, and some craft magazines and some stuffings and whatnot. And so I found out, I looked at the weather just to make sure, and next Friday and Saturday it's rain. So I won't be having a garage sale next weekend. The next weekend after that, more rain. So I think I'm going to have to put my garage sale on postpone. And I don't know. All of this stuff, I'm going to go through it a little bit more. I'll probably put those baskets back up there, and maybe I'll switch those over. I don't know. I need to dust it all up there anyway. So I'll probably pull these down and dust it real well and wipe it down with a cloth, and then try to reorganize some of this stuff. And I think I'll put off having a garage sale until next spring, and then see what happens then. And so I'm rethinking how I can stack more of those books up here. I think if I move them, maybe turn them flat on the bookcase and stack them, that I may find more space, and maybe I'll have to rethink that and give some of my books away. I'm not sure what to do. And then I have a container, a plastic container with a lid that I think will fit under my bed, so I can store some of this cloth in that. And all of these other drawers are filled, all of these down here. And I have blankets and some other stuff in this cabinet. So I did put my scraps in this, the big container here. And then I have some cloth I put up in this one. And I put the rest of the cloth that was in there in that top drawer. So my cloth that I want to keep is pretty much put away. And then all this stuff, I have to rethink it. I'll probably give some of this to a charity shop I have to clean this mess up. But anyway, that's only part of what I've done. This is a lazy Sunday afternoon, so I'm going to sit here, and I made a tentative menu plan, and we're getting away from the holiday food. In fact, I've eaten turkey since Thanksgiving, and I still have a turkey dinner with all the trimmings for tonight. So I'm starting this on Monday, and I found a delightful recipe for a winter squash and apple bisque soup. And then I have some leftover whole wheat dinner rolls that I froze, and I'm going to pull those out and have them, maybe one or two of those with some butter. And Tuesday, I still have a little bit of the white meat left, so I'm going to make a turkey stuffing, or turkey and stuffing casserole, and maybe have some leftover soup and make a salad for Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I'm going to have leftovers. Thursday, I have a lot of eggs left over from Thanksgiving Day, so I'm going to have eggs, bacon, and potato. Those are the hash brown potatoes. I'll have that, so I'll have breakfast for dinner. And Friday, I'm going to have salmon patties with some rice. I might make some rice pilaf and some peas and some green tea. Saturday, to get away from turkey and chicken and all that stuff, I'm going to have cube steaks broiled with leftover rice and a salad with the dressing and some broccoli. Sunday will be leftovers, and whether or not I have any leftover steak, I'll probably still have leftover soup, which the leftover soup I'm planning to have for lunches. So I have to come down from all the rich food that we had for Thanksgiving and maybe have light lunches, maybe a salad, soup and salad. So that's what I'm planning. That's my tentative. Of course, it may change depending on what else. Now, I'm going to let this go so I can think about it, what I want to keep and what I'm going to possibly sell it in some of this in the spring and redo this. I have a shelf unit in my closet that's full of notions and things that I need for sewing, and I'm thinking about bringing that back and maybe putting my patterns on those shelves in there. And then, of course, I'll keep my basket collection, and maybe I'll do some rethinking in the living room, put some of my books away in the living room, or maybe on top of this cabinet here to my right. Anyway, that's where I'm at. And so this will probably wait until the third week in December before I can really get this room back together and clean it up real well. So because I pretty sure it's going to rain 2 weekends in a row, and then the second weekend starts with Friday the 13th, and I'm kind of superstitious about Friday the 13th, so possibly I better put this garage sale thought on the back burner for now. And I don't know if I'll start any sewing projects between now and Christmas, because I do have to get this all organized or reorganized and cleaned up, get my shelves cleaned up. And I'm thinking of starting a page on Google. They have a page for selling, and I'm thinking of selling my cookbooks there. And maybe I can put some of these books on sale there. These are craft books, and they're delightful. And it's just finding the time to do all these things is my problem. But organization is where I do pretty well. If I can find a place for all this stuff without making this room look like a junk pile, I'm doing pretty good. So we'll wait and see what happens. And anyway, it's a little bit overwhelming at this point. So I'm going to put it off until the third week in December and then reorganize this room, because I have a lot of other things to get busy, including Christmas shopping and planning for the next holiday. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.